Hello everyone. This is a video on the first-time ACH deposit process. ACH, or Automated Clearing House, is a secure electronic network for financial transactions. It allows for direct deposits and payments, making it a convenient option for receiving your earnings. Understanding how to set up your ACH deposit is crucial for ensuring timely payments to your bank account. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow to get started. As a consignor, your first ACH payout will be sent to you via email. This email will contain important instructions on how to set up your bank account for receiving payments. To begin, open the email and click on the "Click here to deposit this check" button. This will direct you to the setup page where you can choose your preferred bank account. One of the easiest ways to set up your ACH deposit is by using Plaid, which offers automatic bank account detection. After clicking the Deposit button in your email, you will be prompted to select whether you are an individual or a business. Once you make your selection, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Following this, you will enter your phone number and receive a verification code. This code is crucial for ensuring the security of your account setup. At this point, you will have the option to choose between instant verification or manual verification. Instant verification utilizes Plaid services to automatically detect your bank accounts, while manual verification requires you to input your account and routing numbers. For this guide, we will focus on the instant verification process. To proceed with instant verification, you will need to enter the name of your bank. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select your bank from the listed options. After selecting your bank, click the Submit button to continue. Information on Plaid will pop up. When you are done reading through this, you can click the Continue button. You will then be prompted to enter your phone number again and click Continue. Enter the code you receive and click Continue to move forward in the process. Following this, you will choose the Text Me option to receive a verification code via text message. Enter the code you receive and click Submit to move forward in the process. At this stage, you may be required to log into your bank account using your bank's online login system. Once logged in, select the bank account you wish to use for receiving your ACH deposit. After selecting your account, indicate the account type and click the Submit button. You will receive a notification confirming the dollar amount that will be deposited into your bank account within 2 to 5 business days, depending on which bank you use. Finally, click the Done button to complete the setup process. After this first-time setup is completed, future deposits will be much more simple. You will be able to reselect the last bank account you linked during this process. Easy as can be. This was a video on the first-time ACH deposit process.